Check the mic and make sure it sound right, boys.
Hey guys, Paul here. Welcome back to the channel. So today I have a really awesome accessories that provide extra storage spaces inside your Model 3 and Model Y. Let's go. So this is the sunglasses storage or glasses storage that can attach anywhere in the car that has a fuzzy surface. And this is the backseat center container. So you place it behind the center console and in front of the middle seat passenger. And this is a back of your seat storage bag. So you just snap this behind the back of passenger or driver seat, and you can use as an extra storage space, or you can use as the trash can because it came with one big roll of trash bags. Okay, before we continue with the video, let me tell you where did I get these accessories from. So I got the sunglasses box and the center console storage or the container from topfitev.com, and I got these backseat storage from the new website called teslastory.com, and I'll put the link and the discount code in the description down below. Let's continue with the video. Let's take off these accessories and install in my Model 3. Okay, let's start with the sunglasses or glasses holder first. So in the back of it, it has Velcro material on the back, so you can basically attach this anywhere in your car that has fuzzy material like the side of the center console. So you can attach it right here or right here or anywhere that you see fit. So like this, I just put it right there and my leg won't hit it, as you can see, and it's just easy to access and put it back. Okay, let's try to put my glasses in just like that. Really simple and easy. When I need it, I just reach it down, grab it, and use it. This glasses storage, you can put more than just glasses. You could also put my garage opener. I can just put in here, so easy access to just open and then grab it, or even my key, dump it in there, and that's it. So it's really what you gonna use it for. So now if I wanted to take the whole case and use the same sunglasses on my another car, I can just take the whole case out and put the case in another vehicle, and I can just use that sunglasses again. It's really convenient. Love these features. So as long as your vehicle has this fuzzy texture, you can see from here, then you can stick this case on anywhere. Such an awesome accessory to have. Normally have my wife sitting here, so I got two of this. So I got one for myself and another one for my wife, and just attach wherever that doesn't get in the way of your legs sitting comfortably. There you go. Now we have two separate sunglasses or glasses storage that can be removed anywhere, any car you want. Alright, let's go to the next one. So the next one is a backseat center console container. Alright, let's put this in the back of the car. Okay, so basically this one just fit in that space right there in the middle seat on the back seat, and it fits right in just like that. So it also have optional double-sided tape here that you can put it on the plastic over here. Let me show you how to install that. So you basically just take off the double-sided tape out and then place it right down here. Just measure this side and this side, make sure it's in the middle, and just move this in. Now put the pressure on that double-sided tape part. So now the double-sided tape is in. Now you can tear this one off. So it has a similar texture here that can stick on a fuzzy texture, which is now installed right here, just to make sure when you put this in like that, it stays in place. Okay, now we have that extra storage space in the back seat. Game controller in here, just like that. A hand sanitizer for your kids in the back, or for passenger in the back. As you know, if you have a family, there's never enough storage space in your car, so that is really good accessories to have. Alright, let's go to the next one and install that right here. Okay, let's install this backseat storage. So installation is really simple. There's a clip in the back. There's two clips right there. So just clip in the current pocket right here. Pull it out and then clip it in. Make sure you push it all the way down. That's it. It's really stable, and now you can put a lot of stuff back here in the back seat. It's also have this LED lights, so you can see stuff at night. Now let's try to put stuff in here, something a lot bigger than you could put in the back pocket. See, the back pocket's only stretched that much, but this one you can put a lot more stuff in, like umbrella or hand sanitizer, or even water. And just close it down. And as I mentioned before, this one could also be a trash can. Let's try to put this plastic bag that came with this product. So if you want to use it as a trash bin, a trash can, you just put the bag that came with it inside, and then just close it down. As you can see, closing it down, it uses the magnet, two magnets right here to close down. That's it. It's really easy to install and really expand the storage in your Tesla Model 3 or Model Y. Now my Tesla Model 3 have plenty more extra storage, both in the back here and also in the front. So now my Model 3 has extra storage spaces inside. Hopefully this video can help you choose which accessories that fits your car, fits your lifestyle. So again guys, thank you for watching, and don't forget to click like if you like the video, and don't forget to subscribe for future content. So see you on the next video.